May I remind you that trading is risky and not suitable for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, please stay humble, focus on the long term, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Welcome to QuantBox Daily, Friday, March 3rd. Yo, what a week. Okay, so QuantBox is your global macroeconomic quant in a box. It is a fundamental tool that gives you everything you need for a fundamental bias, taking all of the legwork out of knowing whether you're a bull or a bear. All you have to do is just match that up with technicals and then you're golden. A 1 week trial is just $7.90. Now, one of the things that we use, excuse me for a moment, still a little bit ill, but I'm getting there. Yes, ma'am. So, one of the things we use is the market heat map. We take a look at the pairs that are currently up and the pairs that are currently down. Okay. One thing I want to do today, though, just veering slightly off that normal path. You can see the pairs here. You can have a look and see what's up and what's down. Okay. But let's have a look at some of the pairs as they're busy setting up currently. So taking a look at dollar pairs, let's look at our dollar pairs first. So euro dollar strong sell, pound dollar strong sell, USD CAD strong buy, Aussie USD strong sell, and Kiwi dollar strong sell. Well, just a sell. So everything bullish on the dollar pairs, bullish from a dollar perspective. So here we are, Aussie USD. We're still down here, friends. We're still sitting at this support. We're still sitting at monthly M2, okay? Now, this is bearish fundamentally, right? So you can absolutely continue being bearish if you are bearish. Just realize that right now you're very much out of position for a buy. Now, if you were going to buy this because you decided to be short-term long, long-term short, as discussed yesterday, you're looking at this range over here. You're looking for a higher high, higher low. Okay. We can clearly see the 21 EMA is stop pushing price down. And we've got an indication of a bottom over here. Higher high, higher low is all you need to then send this higher up. There's nothing wrong with doing that. You just basically identify the fact you're short-term long and long-term short. If you are a bear and you want to remain bearish, well, you got resistance up here. Recognize that a 21 EMA only works in a trend, and right now you're not trending. Okay. So you got two choices. You can wait for a higher low over here, or you can wait for price to get to resistance. That's what you're doing with Aussie USD. With regards to the euro dollar, you can see here, we came off that resistance yesterday. We did not make a lower low. I still said to you yesterday, I don't like the structure of this chart. And you can see now, price coming down, price coming all the way back up. I'm not liking the structure of this chart. So looking at this over here, you can see we got support down here, resistance up there. We're stuck between a rock and a hard place. Not a massive fan of this low momentum situation. What you can do now is you can clear out these little boxes, create a new box like this. Okay. And you can basically wait for a breakout pullback. Take a look at your pound dollar. Still stuck inside a range. You are bottom of the range. You are a bear fundamentally. But if you're looking for a buy, buying bottom of the range is tough. If you're going to do that, you should have done it yesterday. And you can see here yesterday, you're doing it the higher, high, high low. The problem is you never got a higher low, not off of a roll reversal. Or for 21 EMA, sure, but nothing off a roll reversal. I really like roll reversals. Okay. I like to see a combination of roll reversals with the 2155 going in the direction of my trend. Not a massive fan of what's going on here. I see this as untested level. Price is coming back down. So at some point in time. So right now, like you could look for higher highs and higher lows, bottom of the range. Okay. Or you could wait for price to get to resistance. Ultimately, price is still stuck in a range, though. I'm not a massive fan of ranges. Kiwi dollar. Okay, so we came up to the top of the range yesterday. I still said to you yesterday, I don't like the structure of this chart. You can see it really was a doozy. Didn't produce anything amazing. So right now, I'm going to just take this range off and just pop this in a new range over here. Okay, cool. Then USD CAD. Excuse my sniffing. Top of the range, looking for a buy. If you want to sell this, excuse me. Let's do this. Okay. Looking for a lower, lower, lower high. If you're looking to buy, looking for price to come down to support. Okay. The only reason why I'm mixing biases up right now is because technically everything's neutral. That's the only reason why. Okay. So Japanese yen, Aussie yen, neutral, CAD yen, neutral, Euro yen, sell. Let's take a look at Euro yen. Okay, so euro yen currently sell and you are in a profit taking zone. Okay, you're looking for a lower low, lower high. So let's just do this. You can either get a lower low, lower high off that, or you can get a lower low, lower high off this. Okay, that's what you're looking for. You want price to win 21.55 you're going in the bearish direction, and you want price to be below those moving averages. You can see now the M15 chart, that looks like that. If you want to do this in M15, that's your range over there. Okay. Remember, moving averages are lagging right now. You haven't got a higher high. So this could easily break down, pull back, sell. All right. Just be very, very careful because of the fact that you have got a 21 above the 55. Even though that moving averages do refer to trends, and right now this is not trending, you never know if there's some stupid trade out there decides to buy off of that. So that's why I'm saying verify everything on lower time frames. Okay. Then in terms of the next yen pairs, we've got pound yen coming through with neutral, Kiwi yen coming through with strong buy. Okay, let's take a look at strong buy on Kiwi yen. Kiwi yen, strong buy. No, not for me. Okay, taking a look at our Swiss franc pairs, Euro Swissy. Buy. Let's take a look. No. Pound Swissy. Neutral, leave it alone. Aussie Swissy, neutral, leave it alone. Kiwi Swissy. Buy. Please excuse me. Sideways. No, leave it alone. Take a look at our score chart summary. Here are your top sells. Oh, sorry, top buys. Here are your top sells. Take a look at those on the charts. Have a look and see what you think. If you're trading a range, make sure you just verify breakouts. Make sure you verify everything lower time frame. Stay patient, stay disciplined, stay liquid. Have a good day. Have an amazing weekend. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.